These potatoes were in the house at one point of time, and I noticed they were not doing very well, so I put them on that thing and set them outside on the deck, and they've slowly and consistently got worse, oozing juice out. But the one closest to me there looks like it wants to grow, so I'm going to take those and put them in the compost. Alright, I put the potatoes in the compost. That one wants to grow, so I think I'm going to kind of dig a little hole and let it drop into the hole. And I don't know if you see them out here. See the mushrooms? I've got different mushrooms growing all in there. Different strange mushrooms. Look at this plant. That one's coming on, isn't it? Got a little buggy sitting on it. I don't know what kind of buggy that is, but that's a pretty plant. There's another mushroom. Like I said before, compost can be very interesting. Very interesting. Cantaloupe plant. More little mushrooms. Oh! Look at that. That mushroom grew up right from the middle of the Romaine lettuce that was doing good, but is now not. There's another little mushroom there, growing next to that Romaine lettuce. And then there's a little carrot or the big carrot actually, that I'd planted in there. I told you, it's like every day it's something new and different. I didn't expect to come out here and see a mushroom growing out of the romaine lettuce that I'd stuck out here that looked good and now does not. Now it looks like it's all yacked out. But that one's definitely turning green. Maybe that one will survive. The compost in itself is a whole ecosystem of bugs, bacteria, plants, even the animals that come around. I just keep working on it, and I can tell. I don't know if you tell how it seems to be spreading out. That's because animals come out and pick at it. They come out and pick at it and get bugs. We counted, or I wasn't here for it, but a few others that were here for it counted over 15 turkey, and they did all come back in this corner back here. So I'm wondering if the turkey like to come over here and check out the compost. It's a natural thing. You know, birds just wander around. And turkeys are birds. They wander around. They find their little places to go to get, you know, what they want to get. They get their bugs, they get their seeds, they get their plants that they want to grow. Alright, I'm going to let that one drop down in there. And then I'm going to cover it up. Oop, there we go. I didn't touch it because it was, you know, hanging out with the yucky potatoes. But I'm just going to sit there and lightly cover it. And, yeah, my fingers smell okay. Smell like compost. So maybe that potato would take off and grow and make a bunch of more potatoes. It's just the way it works. Alright. I can't do it today, but I'm going to have to be coming out here and doing some really intense work. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? That right there is a sunflower coming on. We've got a few of them out here, a few sunflowers. But I did notice that the tops of them have been bitten off, and I'm thinking the deer just come and take a big mouthful and wander off chewing the top. Yeah, oh well. That's just the way gardening is. You know, the deer come through, they get stuff. The birds come through, they get stuff. Raccoons come through, they get stuff. Alright, let's look at this real quick. Look at that. That's my anthill. That's got cantaloupe ball in it. Cantaloupe looks healthy. Yep, cantaloupe looks healthy. Mr. Bill, what? Little puff over there too? Y'all just hanging out together today? Oh, no? Oh, okay. But little puff looks like he wants to hang out, but you don't want to, do you? You don't want to hang out? No? Okay. Alright, well, I'll talk to you later. Let's go get a close-up of Mr. Bill. Oh, come on, Mr. Bill. You camera shy? No. Oh, you just don't want to be bothered today? Okay. Really? Okay. Talk to you later, Mr. Bill.